Hey tribe, it's Kia from Heritage 93, and I've teased you guys a few times before with hollow nails, but today is a fusion video that's overdue. Hollow speckles on hollow polish though. It's a pretty straightforward one, but let's see if it's worth the hype or if it's actually overkill in its full effect. So yeah, we're gonna get started with the pinkies up first. This coat went on pretty thinly, and the camera is already starting to feel the trippy effects, but it's giving me silver right now, but we're gonna keep going. First coat's gotta be light, right? Actually, no. Even with the one coat, it's giving me a very faint rainbow that's trying to come through, but like in the sky. And it hasn't rained yet, so it's gotta be low-key magical, like that, yeah. And then repeating the magic on this hand, yeah, this first coat is actually really humble. Like the girl who knows she got the juice, but she's still gonna wait on her time to shine, like that. That's what this coat is like. And fast forwarding to the third coat of Holo, and we're looking pretty solid across the board. Okay. But wait, there's more. I told y'all I was trying to see something, so I'm gonna take this hollow speckled goodness, absorb some of its cosmic juices into that makeup sponge, and then see what it's looking like with a little dab. If I'm being honest, I'm not really sure if it made a difference to sponge it on versus painting it like last time, cause the hollow specks were pretty saturated regardless. Anyways, 3 coats later, this is what we got, and now I'm gonna seal it with the clear. So, about this hollow on hollow, is it a yes or a no or a meh or maybe so? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple hollow swatch video and found it helpful. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and for rolling with me thus far. Take care, and I will see you in the next one.